Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Today we got us a Honda Pilot 3.5, doing a AC compressor. Customer opted out for doing the condenser, which has the dryer, so we are just putting in a compressor, even though it's against my advisement, but whatever. All right, so all of this stuff can be done from down below. Nothing up top except for loosening up the belt. If you got one of those belt tensioner tools that are designed for Hondas, works perfect. So down below, this little bracket sits like yay, comes off. There are 17s or 18s, I'm sorry. But once this bracket, this bracket sits between here and the little subframe part right here. Once that's out of the way, this compressor will drop right down with no problem. So next thing, you have 4 12s, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Disconnect your AC lines. Of course, drop your Freon. I'll show you backwards. Drop your Freon first. Customer had already had all the Freon evacuated on this, so I didn't have to do any of that. But got a 10mm here. Once this is out of the way, you can move the hose up and tuck it over in the corner. Move your belt off. Then that hose up there is another 10. Get a ratcheting swivel 1/4 inch 10mm ratchet, and that will come off that way. Once you've got that off, see the blue connector right there, that's your factory side. That way you can disconnect the compressor. And then right above where that AC line is at is the other 12mm long bolt. 4 bolts come out. Wiggle the compressor through this area right here and it will come out. This connector, I'm not sure what that is for, but I disconnected it here, popped it out of the tab here, popped it out of the tab here, moved it out of the way so that all of this room here was available for me to get the compressor out, and then reverse order, put it back in. Now my old one had this little baffle right here to where the line goes up, otherwise it would face in this direction. So I had to take this baffle off, which is 5.5mm little screws, really small little suckers, and then take it off, switch over the O-ring, transfer it over to the other side. Same thing, transfer any hardware that's needed. Sometimes there's studs here. These were bolts, which were great. The other side was a stud for the baffle that was right here that makes it face straight down, which would be that direction. But make sure you change your O-rings out when you do so. Most compressors come loaded with oil, so just double check that before you put it in, install it, because you don't want to have a dry compressor fire up. That's bad. It's like having an engine put in, or change your oil and forget to put oil in, so it wreaks havoc. What oil comes out, put the same amount back in. 12s, 5.5s, 10mm, and that is about it. Pretty quick, simple. Took me about an hour or less to do everything, get it all charged back up and fire it up. But I'm going to put that brace on right there, and away we roll. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.